Here we have a 5-horse Falk engine number E433, manufactured by the Falk Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, around 1912. The Falk Company was in business from 1910 through 1912 when it was purchased by M. Rumley Products of Fort, Indiana. Rumley then went on to produce these engines until 1915 when M. Rumley was taken over by Advanced Rumley. Soon after the Advanced Rumley merger, the Falk line was dropped. This engine is an elaborate side shaft mechanism that runs the magneto, the water pump, the fuel pump, the intake and exhaust valves, the governor, and the igniter. The engine was saved in the early 60s and made to run and exhibited 1 year, and then stored away in an Iowa barn until it was moved to Illinois barn, where it sat for another 45 years. When it was moved to Illinois, the flywheels were removed, the cooling system was removed, and it was taken off of a little 2-wheel trailer. The restoration has a barn fresh look with a new cart. The original cooling tank was used. The original starting coil is in the battery box and was used in restoration. Get in a little closer and see some of the mechanisms work. In its working life, this engine was used to elevate corn on an Iowa farm. It's now sitting next to a cornfield in Illinois where it won't have to do anything but run nice and slow. The Falk engine used the Seagour-Higgins carburation to atomize kerosene so they could burn it in that style of engine. View of the original cooling tank. Almost all the piping on this engine is correct for the engine, came with the engine. The Elkhart magneto that's powering it right now. From an Iowa cornfield to an Illinois cornfield, I hope you enjoyed it.